Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming basic requirements for 5G on Jio. You need a 5G compatible phone and an active Jio SIM plan. Make sure your phone software is updated to the latest version. Insert the Jio SIM into the primary slot if using dual SIM phones. Verify your plan explicitly supports 5G services from Jio. Check that you are in a Jio 5G coverage area using the Jio Coverage Map or the My Jio app. Keep your phone charged during setup. Open your phone settings and navigate to mobile network or connections. Choose SIM card settings for the Jio SIM and tap on preferred network type. Select 5G, 5G/4G/3G auto, or NR/4G/3G to allow 5G. Ensure mobile data is turned on for the Jio SIM. Turn on VO LTE or Enhanced 4G LTE if your device lists that option. After changing these network settings, restart your phone to force the network registration and apply 5G. After restart, check the status bar for the 5G or 5G plus network icon. Open a browser or run a speed test app to confirm faster 5G data rates. If you still see 4G only, toggle airplane mode on and off to re-register with the network. Reset network settings as a next step if issues persist, remembering this clears saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. Finally, contact Jio customer support or visit a Jio center with your IMEI and SIM details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.